Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Mixed signals are emerging from the latest business consumer confidence indices. Consumer confidence declined in the second quarter, while business confidence posted a modest increase as firms continue to recover from Hurricane Melissa. Deidre Thomas reports.
Jamaicans are becoming more cautious about the economy. Executive Chairman of Market Research Services, Don Anderson, shows consumer confidence fell by 2.3% in the second quarter of 2026.
What we find is that they have a less positive view of current business conditions. That's the first factor that contributed to the fall off in consumer confidence. What about the current job situation? We make the point time and time again that consumers have never felt that jobs are plentiful. Never, ever. There's no time in the 25 years that we've been doing this study that consumers have felt. There's a very pessimistic outlook as far as the consumers are concerned when they think in terms of current job situation.
Fewer consumers believe business conditions will improve over the next 12 months. The number of Jamaicans expecting an improvement fell to 33.5%, down from 37.2% in the first quarter. But while consumers are growing more cautious, businesses are showing signs of recovery. Business confidence rose by 2.3% during the quarter, with firms reporting improved profitability and a gradual return to investment plans following the disruption caused by Hurricane Melissa.
When we look at the current conditions, businesses are saying, my profit level is better than expected. Now, we don't want to take that in isolation because it obviously has to be compared against something else. So when we had looked at the first quarter in 2026, business confidence, 14.8% of the businesses said profit was better than expected. That's moved to 19.1% in the second quarter. What it is of course, a recovery, beginning, a resilience coming to the fore. And people are now saying, I'm getting back to where I would like to be.
However, confidence among businesses remained below pre-hurricane levels. Despite the improvement among firms, businesses have become more pessimistic about Jamaica's overall economic outlook.
So it's very interesting that against the kind of optimism that businesses are showing in terms of their own situation, that they're a little bit less than optimistic about the economy going forward. And that seems to be a little bit of counterintuitive. 44.1% said in the second quarter of 2026 that they expected the economy to get better. That fell slightly to 43.8% in the first quarter of 2026, and further by 3 percentage points against the background of the optimism that they're showing. 40% felt, less good about the economy. 40% said the economy would get better. But notice that the majority didn't think it would get better.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 3,074 points today, while the junior market index declined by 46 points. The winners include Paramount Trading, One Great Studio Company, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Sterling Investments, and 138 Student Living Jamaica. The losers include First Rock Real Estate US Dollar Shares, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Proven Group, Cygnus Real Estate Financing, and Cargo Handlers, 26 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading today, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $159.63. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.40. The pound is going for $212.61, while the euro is selling for an average $183. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.